In fact, we have more news coming in. Case to be filed against the minor boy and the pub that served him alcohol. Remember, the boy behind the wheels in this Porsche luxury car was drunk at the time of driving. And this is a mega India Today impact. India Today repeatedly raising questions as to how the 17-year-old A was allowed to drive. Plus, this is a case of drunken driving and he's been let off essentially on bail with conditions like writing a 300-word essay. Also promising to help traffic, road accident victims and also help the traffic police. A case is to be filed against the minor boy and also the pub that served him alcohol is what we know. Remember, drinking is not allowed at the age of 17 in the country, and the pub also that served him alcohol have to give specific answers as to why they allowed. Cops, in fact, have also added culpable homicide charge against the minor who, in fact, was behind the wheels when this horrible accident took place in Pune. This is a major India Today impact that we're reporting on. A case is going to be filed not just against the minor, but also against the pub that served him alcohol. Cops have added, in fact, culpable homicide charge also against the minor who was behind the wheels of the Porsche car that hit, in fact, hit the two-wheeler, instantly killing two young people who are, in fact, riding that two-wheeler. Omkar is getting us more details on that story. Omkar, the pub in question here that served alcohol to the 17-year-old is also going to get pulled up by the police.
Exactly. FIR filed against 4 people by Pune police. But interestingly, if we can go through that video, CCTV footage, we can understand at the how speed he was driving the car. It was almost 140 plus per kilometer. There is second CCTV also. Even that CCTV, we can see the couple was taking U-turn from the road. It's below flyover. The whole incident happened, and other people are running behind it. Secondly, police mentioned 4 names in the FIR. One, the father of the accused, who allowed him to go out and do party with his friends, and also father knew that the accused is going out and taking his car along with him. Secondly, person who served liquor at midnight, and third person is owner of the hotel who was managing everything by 2 o'clock at midnight. So there are 3 people who are accused in this case right now, apart from the accused who is granted bail by juvenile court.
That's right. The pub, in fact, has also got a case registered against it for serving alcohol to a minor. But the big question mark is in the manner in which he's being treated, with kid gloves, literally, because he is a minor. He's a 17-year-old and he's been let off on bail within 15 hours. And the bail conditions were also, in fact, bizarre. Writing an essay on the accident. Also, the promise to quit alcohol, take help for quitting alcohol. Omkar.
Actually, if we go through the Juvenile Code Act, we'll get to know there are different kind of, we can say, different kind of allegations and different kind of whenever they put allegations on anyone or whenever the case goes forward, whatever happens, they provide some kind of constructive work, like the way accused is going to do. He'll be with the police officers, and secondly, he'll write an essay. So, as per the law, some constructive work should happen.
We have a reaction coming in from the police. Omkar, be with us. Let's take a listen.
एक्सीडेंट की घटना में हमने 304 आईपीसी तहत गुना दाखिल किया था। ये जुवेनाइल था, इसलिए हमने कोर्ट को एप्लीकेशन किया था कि परमिशन दी जाए ताकि इसको एडल्ट की तरह ट्राई किया जाए। कोर्ट ने ये परमिशन रिजेक्ट किया था। आज हम उस आदेश के विरुद्ध डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में अपील कर रहे हैं और कोर्ट के आदेश के तहत कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जो उसके फादर हैं या जो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट जिसने अंडर एज होने के बावजूद लिकर सर्व किया, उनके विरुद्ध अलग से जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट के तहत गुना दाखिल की गई है, जिसको क्राइम ब्रांच तपास कर रहा है। हम दोनों प्रकरण को बहुत ही गंभीरता से ले रहे हैं और जो कल्याणी नगर एरिया इन पर्टिकुलर या पूना शहर इन जनरल में जो इश्यूज इनके हैं या अंडर एज लोगों को जो सर्व की जा रही है लिकर, उसके विरुद्ध हम आवश्यक कार्रवाई संबंधित विभाग के साथ मिलकर करने वाले हैं।
जो नाबालिग लड़का है उसने शराब पी थी क्या, और उसके साथ जो बंदे
नाबालिग लड़के ने शराब पी थी, ये सीसीटीवी फुटेज से स्पष्ट है।
ये जो गाड़ी थी वो किसके नाम पे थी, क्योंकि उसको नेम प्लेट नहीं थी?
गाड़ी उसके फादर के नाम पे थी, नंबर प्लेट क्यों नहीं थी, नंबर प्लेट कब इशू हुई थी, टेम्पररी नंबर प्लेट कब तक थी और कब वो किस सरकमस्टांस में बिना नंबर प्लेट के गाड़ी गैरेज से बाहर निकली, ये सभी विषय पे हम तपास कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन ये गाड़ी किसके नाम पे थी?
गाड़ी इसके फादर के नाम पे
क्या
थी,
नाम
एक्यूज्ड के फादर की नाम की थी।
नाम क्या है उनका?
देखिए, कोई भी ऐसा वक्तव्य जिससे जुवेनाइल का आइडेंटिटी डिस्क्लोज हो सके, वो मैं कैमरा पे बोलना कायदे के अनुसूरन नहीं है।
All right, his identity can't be disclosed as the police. Omkar continues to be with us. Attempts to, in fact, try him as an adult have also not been encouraged by the court, isn't it? Omkar, this is a 17-year-old.
Exactly the way Commissioner of Police Nitish Kumar said, they don't want to disclose the identity. And secondly, if we go through the Juvenile Act, we'll get to know that their Juvenile Act provides constructive punishments. The way is happening in this case also. The accused is going to write essay in 300 words about the incident, whatever has happened. Also, there are different punishments we can see. But juvenile court doesn't punish hard to anyone, or there are no harsh amendments in that act. So even now in this case, even after who died in the case, the minor will not go behind the path. Mostly, जिसे हम बाल सुधार गृह कहते हैं, वहाँ उसे भेजा जाएगा.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Omkar, for getting us up to speed with that. Omkar telling us about this entire case and the manner in which things have moved as far as giving bail to the 17-year-old accused in this case is concerned.